when you get the real fight. So I'm a commentator for y'all. And right now it is Logan is up 2-0 to Floyd because he ain't threw that many punches or whatever. And it looked like Logan is time to fight. He did. He came to fight now. And right now they hugging each other. I don't know why. Y'all, he look like he about to lose this round. Oh shit, y'all. Oh shit. This right here is the Ratchet commentator from Ratchet Tracy. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. And we live at the Floyd Mayweather fight. And I got my girl right here so she can tell us a little bit on how she liked the fight.
Absolutely loved it. I would have never thought I would have had the opportunity to see Mayweather fight again. He's retired, so for him to come out of retirement to come see fight in Logan Paul, dude, we've come all the way from Arizona, so we definitely had to make the opportunity to come out and see him. Big Logan Paul fan, so definitely have to come out here and see what's up.
Logan Paul fans. Now, did you hear that Floyd Mayweather had dingling on his head last night?
Oh, at the strip club.
At the strip club. At the strip club. She heard about it.
I heard he doing the whole back.
Y'all, that was funny. We was ratchet for 5 minutes, y'all.
No, it's alright.
It's okay. It's okay. And we are Ratchet Tracy. Yeah, I would like to thank you so much for doing this interview with me.
Thank you for having me.
And y'all go ahead and see her interview at ratchettracy.com.
Hey, thank you so much. Bye.
Hey y'all, hi. It's your girl, Ratchet Tracy. And we had the Hard Rock Jam Band. We got another interview. Love, what's your name?
Sassy.
Sassy is here to tell y'all how she thought about tonight's fight.
It was phenomenal. It was a wonderful experience. You should have came.
Oh, y'all should be outside like I've been telling y'all. I've been telling them to come outside.
Come outside.
Come on outside, y'all, now.
You have to live it up.
They love this, so right now, y'all, we 3-3. 3 people didn't like it, 3 people did like it.
Love it.
They love it. Now, I'm going to tell y'all my opinion. I love this too because I never have seen a fight in person.
Right.
So this has been an amazing experience, okay? But I got one ratchet question to ask y'all. Can I ask y'all a ratchet question? Because I'm Ratchet Tracy.
Okay.
Did y'all hear that Floyd had dingling on his head last night?
No.
He went to the strip club